Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you the collection of handmade wooden decor ideas that sells to turn your creativity into meaningful income. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Making decorative items at home as a creative entrepreneur, woodworker, or DIY maker begins not with tools, but with intention, because meaningful design grows from the desire to create pieces that bring warmth, authenticity, and lasting value into today's homes. In a world saturated with factory-made decor and fast-changing trends, the act of crafting handmade items becomes both a creative statement and a business opportunity rooted in purpose. The home workshop, whether it is a small garage corner or a dedicated studio space, transforms into a place where raw materials evolve into expressions of personal vision. Wood, metal, fabric, and reclaimed elements are no longer simple supplies. They become storytellers waiting to be shaped. When you approach decorative craftsmanship with clarity about who you are designing for and what emotional atmosphere you want to cultivate, each piece you create carries depth that resonates far beyond surface aesthetics. The process often begins with observing modern interiors and identifying how handmade decor can enhance them without overwhelming their clean lines. Contemporary homes tend to favor simplicity, neutral palettes, and functional beauty, so decorative items that balance minimalism with natural warmth are especially powerful. A handcrafted wooden wall panel, a sculptural shelf, a geometric candle holder, or a carefully carved decorative bowl can soften sleek interiors by introducing organic texture and subtle imperfection. The warmth of natural materials contrasts beautifully with concrete floors, glass windows, and metal fixtures, creating harmony between modern architecture and timeless craftsmanship. As a maker, your role is to design pieces that feel intentional rather than ornamental, ensuring that every curve, joint, and finish serves both visual and practical purpose. Intentional craftsmanship requires patience and discipline. Before cutting a single board, you consider proportions, scale, and placement within a room. A decorative wall piece should neither dominate nor disappear. It must complement surrounding furniture and lighting. Measuring carefully, sketching concepts, and refining dimensions prevent wasted material and elevate the final outcome. As you sand surfaces smooth and join components precisely, you build not only the object, but also your reputation as an artisan committed to quality. Customers seeking handmade decor value this attention to detail because it distinguishes authentic craftsmanship from imitation. They can feel the difference when edges are thoughtfully finished, when joints align seamlessly, and when finishes enhance rather than mask the material's character. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. Building income through meaningful design depends on recognizing that decorative items are more than products. They are emotional investments for buyers. A wall-mounted wooden sculpture might represent a family's appreciation for nature, while a handcrafted tray could become part of cherished gatherings and celebrations. When you share the story behind your materials, especially if you use reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced supplies, you strengthen that emotional connection. Transparency about your process builds trust and differentiates your brand in a competitive market. Modern consumers increasingly seek decor that aligns with their values, favoring sustainable, locally made pieces over mass-produced alternatives. By communicating your commitment to responsible sourcing and thoughtful production, You position your creations as both aesthetically appealing and ethically conscious. As a creative entrepreneur, balancing artistry with practicality is essential. You learn to calculate the cost of materials, the time required for each stage of production, and the price point that reflects both value and market expectations. Working efficiently without compromising craftsmanship becomes part of your growth. Perhaps you develop templates for popular decorative items, allowing you to maintain consistency while still adding subtle variations that preserve uniqueness. You may experiment with small batch production, creating limited collections that build anticipation and exclusivity. Through social media, local markets, and online platforms, you present your work not simply as decor, but as part of a lifestyle centered on authenticity and intentional living. Creating decorative items at home also invites experimentation and innovation. You might combine wood with metal accents for an industrial modern aesthetic, or incorporate soft textiles into wooden frames for added texture. Lighting elements can be integrated into wall art to produce ambient glow, transforming simple decor into interactive experience. As trends evolve, your foundational commitment to intentional design keeps your work relevant. Rather than chasing every passing style, you adapt thoughtfully, ensuring that new ideas align with your core aesthetic and values. This consistency builds brand recognition and customer loyalty over time. The journey of a DIY maker or woodworker becoming a creative entrepreneur is shaped by continuous learning. Each project teaches new techniques, whether mastering smooth joinery, exploring eco-friendly finishes, or refining packaging presentation. Professional growth parallels creative development, strengthening both skill set and confidence. Over time, your home workshop becomes more organized, your processes more streamlined, and your designs more refined. Income grows steadily as customers recognize reliability and excellence. What began as passion gradually evolves into a sustainable enterprise that supports both financial goals and personal fulfillment. Meaningful design also transforms how people interact with their homes. Decorative items crafted with intention encourage mindfulness and appreciation for quality. A carefully made wooden wall organizer reduces clutter and creates calm. A handcrafted centerpiece enhances dining experiences, turning everyday meals into special moments. When your creations contribute positively to daily life, they extend their value beyond aesthetics. This functional beauty becomes the hallmark of your brand, proving that decor can improve living environments in subtle yet significant ways. Ultimately, making decorative items at home as a creative entrepreneur is about merging creativity with responsibility and ambition. It is about recognizing that thoughtful design can shape living spaces while also building financial independence. By committing to intentional craftsmanship, sustainable practices, and honest storytelling, you create decor that resonates deeply with modern homeowners seeking warmth and individuality. Each handmade piece becomes evidence that design rooted in purpose carries enduring value. In the quiet rhythm of sanding wood, assembling components, and applying finishing touches, you affirm that meaningful creation has the power to enrich homes and livelihoods alike. Through dedication and authenticity, your handmade decor becomes more than a business. It becomes a testament to the beauty of designing with heart and living with intention. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked handmade wooden decor ideas that sells to turn your creativity into meaningful income. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.